Okay, I'm not sure how good this mic is, and I hope it's good, but I can't be 100% certain because it is an older mic. However, hello guys, how are you? I don't know if people joined. I mean, people should watch, but yeah, I know this is a long overdue. I know, but I didn't have Wi-Fi. I couldn't upload, and I don't know. I'm sorry. There's no excuses, but yeah, basically, yeah, I had no Wi-Fi and I couldn't stream or anything. But now that I'm back, I am able to. So let's get on with it. This will be really quick, so you guys don't need to watch for too long. So let's go. So first thing we want to do is we want to be able to create a new toString method. We can do the same if we wanted to do toInt, but we'll just do toString for now. So public, we want to return a string, and we want to call it toString. Okay, and all we're going to do is we're just going to return balance plus this dot balance. That's it. Okay guys, a lot of people have been asking me, like, what's the point of writing this? Like, what is it? This is very good coding practice, so it's not necessary, like, it'll work without it, but this right here helps you know that it's part of this class only. We just want to use the balance in this class only. Okay, that one's done. Next one. Time, it said we had to look at test 2, see what the thing wanted. So it wants you to essentially make a deposit function in standard banker. So we're just going to extend it from banker that already exists because it has a deposit. So let's go back to the first deposit. Let's find it. Okay, so deposit. How do we do it? So in account, we can make a deposit. So somehow we need to get an account into banker, or standard banker rather. So how would we do that? Let's see. Is there anything that we can do to get the account? Oh wait, yeah, there's a method called get account. So we use this to get the actual account. So if we just start, so public, first we need to extend it from banker, extends banker. That should work. Okay, so now we want to do public void and we want to do deposit. And we're taking in an amount, so in amount, because that is important. So the reason that we're doing this is because over here, can you see that it's an abstract method? So if it's an abstract method, that means it's a mandatory thing to do, is to declare it in this. So once we do this, all we're going to do is, well, we need to get the account. How are we going to get the account? Well, in here, as you can see, there is actually a method called get account. So we can do this dot get account. And if you look here, banker extend, we can then just do, because we got an account, we can see what functions come with the account. Well, with the account, we have a deposit function. So if we're doing this dot get account, we can then just do dot deposit get account dot deposit. That's not right. How dot deposit, and we want to deposit the amount. And essentially that should work to deposit whatever we want to deposit. So there you have it, guys. That is a very neat thing done. Simple, straightforward. I think we also wanted to do something else on this. Hold on, let me just check that. I think that's all we needed to do for that. Let me just check test 2 to see. Yep, we just want to be able to deposit. That's it. And so next one, next task we have is to implement this interface resettable. Okay guys, this is where it gets very disgusting and really bad coding technique. So I'm not very happy with whoever decided that this was a good idea. Like, this was not a good idea. This one does not make sense. It doesn't work. Okay, so the reason this doesn't work is because this right here, such bad coding practice. So the way that I would have done it is that I would have turned this into an interface. So this one here should have been turned into an interface, and then we should have been able to implement both banker and resettable. But because of this stupid guy, man, oh my days, I'm gonna get so vexed just thinking about him. Because of that stupid guy, we now have to like do it this disgusting way. This guy, he tells us that this is what good coding practice is, and then he goes against all good coding practices. Sorry, a little rant there, but yeah, disgusting. I can't stand people like that, you know? Like, gets me so vexed. No one's watching me on Discord. That's really sad. That's okay. But really sad. Really sad. For, well, no one but me, but still quite sad. Okay. Anyways, going back to what I was saying is, okay. Sorry about that. So now we need this method reset. So it's quite simple. So we just do in public. And what is it called? Does it just reset? Public void. Do we need to return? We don't need to return anything. Reset. So how are we going to do this? Well, let's look in Banker. Is there any methods here that can help us? Oh, we have a set account thing. That's very convenient to us. So all we're going to do is very simple. Oh yeah, in set account we have a parameter that we need to do account. So we can just do set account equals new. Oh, sorry. Set account. And we can just make it a new bank account. Easy. And that should work. And that's all. Thank you very much, guys. I know this was really short, and I will just quickly check the YouTube video to make sure that it's all worked properly. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. It was a very easy one this week. Sorry that it's so late, this week's video. But yeah, there will be a week 5 one, and let me just tell you, week 5 OOP, not the nicest thing, but this week, because my Wi-Fi is back